Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming you have the account email, password, and 2FA access. Do this now so you won't be locked out later. Once done, find the subscription ID and billing date in your invoices. That helps when canceling mid-cycle. Make sure to back up saved games or export important data to local storage or another cloud, because deleting the service often wipes remote saves permanently. Now sign in to the cloud gaming portal and go straight to subscription or billing to begin cancellation. You should cancel the subscription first. Choose immediate end or end of billing period and confirm any refund or proration shown. Next, revoke linked devices, remove consoles, phones, and browser sessions in the account's device list, then deauthorize third-party app access to prevent future resyncs. After that, delete cloud saves, screenshots, and any game library entries you don't want retained. Remember, this is usually irreversible, so be deliberate. Finally, verify the account status shows no active subscriptions before moving to payment removal. Once the subscription is canceled and data removed, delete saved payment methods and billing addresses from the account wallet so charges cannot recur. Then uninstall cloud gaming apps on every device and clear app cache and data. On consoles, consider restoring system network settings if caching persists. If you want full account deletion, use the account closure option and follow email confirmation steps. If something goes wrong, unexpected charges, or account won't delete, contact support with your subscription ID and screenshots. That usually resolves lingering problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.